English Prepositions Quiz. There will be 25 prepositions in total. For each preposition 10 seconds are given. Let's get started. The picture is hanging, the wall. She is looking, her keys. He jumped, the pool. The shoes are, the bed. They walked, the street. The match was delayed, rain. There's a discount, all shoes today. They are looking, the new assignment online. Children are playing, the playground. She backed up her files, a cloud service. The delay occurred, engine failure. The speech was, current global issues. The ceremony was broadcast, satellite. The cat hid, the sofa when it heard thunder. There was silence, the performance. She was successful, hard work and dedication. The two ideas are quite different, each other. She is, the project. They voted, the proposal. The rain, we went out. Dash the chaos, the team remained calm. The regulations apply, dash all employees. Dash a misunderstanding, the meeting was delayed. He spoke, dash the team at the conference. The journey was delayed, dash bad weather conditions. How many of them did you guess right? Let us know in the comment section.